Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this smartphone. Start by going into Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Now install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info from this developer, and just open. From this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!